It was expensive, didn't want to buy it, but it inspired me. I am going to try and make my own, and I actually bargained to get them for $5. These are my favorite, okay, my second favorite. You wait for my favorite thing that I have found at the op shops. Welcome back to our channel. Amelia isn't here. I'm filming a video by myself, and that is because our state is in like a 3-day lockdown, and our lockdown finishes literally tonight, but I'm filming this video today. Anyway, also we've been thinking of like filming videos kind of separately sometimes, just because like I've got so much that I have to do now that I've moved. I've got like all of a sudden like so many more DIY projects to do now that I've moved house. And if you haven't caught up, yes, I have moved house. I am renting a bigger house, so I have a lot more rooms to style, which is exciting for our channel because Amelia and I have so much content to do. But I've been just doing like DIYs and stuff, and Amelia and I have done a couple together, but sometimes it's just easier to sometimes do stuff separately when we're working on our individual houses, just because like Amelia has children as well, and she always has to try and find someone to babysit them when we're filming. So it's just a little bit easier right now while Eisen especially so young. So you get me today. And I have been doing a lot of op shopping, let me tell you. I've been going like frequently to the op shops, and actually I've been really enjoying it. Like I've been loving going op shopping, and I have done that in the past, but like because when you go like a couple days in a row, you kind of see like what they bring out, what sells really quickly, what new items there are, and you kind of find some really cool things. And let me tell you, I found some really cool things, and I'm so excited. I've already started like flipping some items. You'll see some things that are already made, but I'll show you like the photos of it anyway. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm filming in a different room, so the lighting to me is like so different. And also, I've done my hair different, and it's putting me off. And Amelia's not here, so everything's putting me off right now. Item number 1. Okay, now I am not having a child. Do not say that I'm pregnant. Do not say that I'm having a child. But I like planning, okay? I like... And hopefully you can't hear those cars. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I always like to plan ahead. So I kind of buy little like baby things ahead of time if I like really like it and it's like a good price, and I'm like, okay, I have to get that for my future child. So I got this little, what is it? It's like a wooden car. It was $1 from Lifeline. And we call it op shops, not thrift stores. So if I say both, I'm just confused. I got this. It's so cute. I thought of giving it to Eisen, which is Amelia's child. But, I mean, I'll have a child one day. I'm gonna hold on to it. Another thing I've been like really like thinking about is like what decor pieces that I really like. And sometimes when you're styling like a shelf or a coffee table or a bedside tables, which mine aren't styled right now, when you are styling those items, sometimes you need something that's like small that sits on top of a book to finish it off or something like that. And I've like my, I guess, mood board. I'll show you my mood board right here. My mood board is basically for my house or my living room, is like Mediterranean, coastal, Greek inspired styles. Now, my husband and I, when we went on our honeymoon, we went to Greece, and it was so beautiful, and I've been inspired ever since. We like went to these cool Airbnbs that were like so aesthetically cute, and I just love the stone look. So I've been on a hunt for like things that are like stone. I found some of these cute little, what are they called? I don't know. They're just a little decor piece that has, you could put something in there. Am I gonna put something in there? Probably not. It's just gonna look cute on a book. It's like a stone feel. That was $3. And then this was right next to it as well, and it has like a stone look as well. This one doesn't have a lid. It's like a mini bowl, and that was $1. So cheap. I thought they were so cute. They would be really cute next to each other on a shelf. Not that I have any shelves up, but we'll see. Okay, while we're on the pottery train of things, I have been really wanting like super organic pottery looking. And now my mum, she makes pottery, and so she's made me a few bowls that are super organic and really, really pretty. I absolutely love them, but I always like more. And when I stumble across something that looks like homemade or something that I can like thrift flip, I get it. So this was $2, and this is just like I'm pretty sure someone handmade it. It has it at the bottom, like their name. I can't read that. Lana? I don't know what that says. I don't particularly like this color. I'm not too sure. Maybe I will, but I might end up painting it. I really like the bowl thick style. I have a craft room now, guys. Well, if you want to call it a craft room, a DIY room, a creative room, I have one of those rooms in our new place that we're in right now. And I don't have like several craft things. I do have a lot, but I don't have many buttons. So I've been on the hunt for buttons, and can I tell you, op shopping or thrifting for like wool, buttons, fabric, beads, any of those crafty type of things that are so expensive in stores. Like, I don't know why they're so expensive, but op shops have them for so cheap. I got these pack of buttons, and they're all just like brownie sort of neutral colors, which I really, really like and think I'll use. They were $2 for this little bag, so I got them, and some really, really cute buttons that in there that I could use for some DIYs. So that's nice. Woo. Shall we turn the brightness up? Hello. Amelia and I are going to do a room transformation on my bathroom. Now my bathroom, if you saw the empty house tour, it's not that pretty. It's not that nice. The color choices are just not great in that bathroom. The handles on the cabinet is just not really pretty. And so we're gonna do a room transformation on it, and I've been like looking at Pinterest inspiration, and here's a photo of what I really, really like. I love that like wooden, what's it called? It's like a wooden mini table or a wooden like plank with like little stubby legs. If you have like tried to find that before, it's so expensive and you can't find it anywhere too. I stumbled across this. It is a rectangle. It's meant to be for food, but I thought I could like do like a quick DIY with it. It was $6. Yeah, it's alright. But it had those little legs on it, which I thought was adorable. And maybe I might like stain it and make it look a little bit more worn down sort of feel. I might sand the edges to be a bit more round too. I've been loving sanding at the moment, let me tell you. So I'm gonna try that. $6. Pretty cute. Another like, what's it called? Like haberdashery?
Haberdashery.
Something about threads and stuff, yeah. This was 50 cents. It was just some brown thread, and I like brown thread, and there's not much left on it, but I wanted it for the color. It was pretty. Coffee table books. Coffee table books are so expensive. So expensive. Like $50 for a coffee table book. And I am not going to read the coffee table book. It's purely there to make my coffee table look good. Now, I have been thinking up what I should do. I don't want to spend that much money on a coffee table book. What can I do? And I got inspired when I was just walking in some shops called Bed Bath & Table, and I found a coffee table book. It was expensive, didn't want to buy it, but it inspired me. I am going to try and make my own, well, cover my own book. I bought this book. It's just a baby photography book. Doesn't really mean much to me. It's thick, it's big, it's definitely the size of a coffee table book, and I'm going to cover it in some like linen fabric, and it's gonna look so good. And I'm thinking of like doing some sort of distressing on the pages to make it look old, just like a little bit more worn in instead of that white color. I think this was a great idea. I'm excited to do it. I really like these placemats. These were, oh, how much was the book? The book was $4. I found, I think like 6 or so placemats, and they're like this wooden little thin strips that are like flat, and you don't often find flat ones. Usually they're like the round ones, and I really like this material. I thought it would be kind of cool to put it like, say you have a pot and you want it to be like that rattan type of look, you could wrap it literally around it and glue it on, and it would be so pretty. And they were $1 each, so it was $6 for the bunch of them. So I'm probably gonna do a DIY with that. Not sure what yet, but thought it was cool. Okay, you can see them in the background, but these are my favorite. Okay, my second favorite. You wait for my favorite thing that I have found at the op shops. These. And this. Like, what? Oh, I've never bought something so big. They are a set. They're so pretty. Like the shape of them, I do not like the color. Don't get me wrong. Probably a nice color for someone else, but not for me. I'm going to probably do some painting or spray paint it. I've got this stone spray paint. Well, it's not stone, but it's the color of stone. I'm excited because I think it will look so good next to my couch. The small one was $15, so yeah, it's all right price. The bigger one was $17, so I could not pass it up. They were just so cute, and I'm sure they would be so much more expensive if I bought them brand new. This is another DIY stuff that I bought. There is, I think, 20 of these, and they're 50 cents each, and I actually bargained to get them for $5, and the lady gave it to me for $6. I've never bargained before, but I didn't want to pay $10 when I didn't know what I wanted to do with them, but I have some ideas what I want to do with them. Maybe some like wall decor or things like that, but there's a lot of them, so we'll see. Okay, one of my favorite things I have ever made, like a decor piece that I've ever made. Wait a second. Found these canvases at the op shop. They were matching, and I upstyled them. This is what happened. Amelia and I did this, while I finished painting it. How cool! I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a textured canvas made with wool putty, and we painted it, well, I painted it and then put on the framing, and I absolutely love it. And the canvas was $17. Some of them were like $6, but I wanted the matching ones, so they were $17. The final piece, this is my favorite op shop find ever. Like, ever. I bought 2 wooden armchairs. Like, they are so pretty, and I am going to do a thrift flip on it, and it will be up on this channel, so stay tuned. I'm going to make it look so good, but I just love the structure of the chairs. Gonna change the cover. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. I'm halfway done on one of them, so I'm gonna do the other one next. I'm so excited to show you. And that's gonna go in my lounge room, so that's pretty cool. Stay tuned for all of those like DIYs that we're going to be doing on this channel. I'm so excited. Stay tuned for all the room transformations, for the bathroom transformation. That one's coming out first. If you want to follow along on what we do with this house that we're in right now, hit the subscribe button, and that will help us out so that you can see all the videos that we're coming out with, and then you can watch and support us, and that means a lot. We really appreciate all your comments. Everyone that comments, like literally every video, is just such an angel. Like, I know the people that I'm talking about, and you guys are so lovely. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye. Sun, 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 sun. Okay, why the heck is this one hair falling out? If you haven't seen already, wow, it's just white. Hopefully this thing, I wish I could touch the screen like this. Is it a focus on me? Yes, I think so. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Just stay there.